because okay, I can't rap. But anyway, you guys can already see by the title of the video that I am so excited. I can finally open up to you guys and tell you what I've been doing behind closed doors. I mean, it's been so difficult having to hide it from you guys. It's been the most difficult experience ever, but I finally am in a position to talk about it. So anyway, child, so what had happened was this morning I woke up to literally something that felt life-changing. And I mean, I knew that it would get to this point, but I wasn't prepared because I thought I would be the one to see it first. But this morning an Instagram follower of mine literally did a Instagram post. I'll probably find it and put it somewhere here. She did an Instagram post, she's like, oh my god, Naledi. And I'm like, wait, what the fuck, you guys? Basically the promo video of the show that I've been shooting, the behind the scenes that you saw from the last Vlogtober, is finally live. And basically what I'm trying to say is I've got my own show on Channel O, baby. Channel O, kickstart your summer with Mzansi's dopest music show.
Yo, we're talking to you.
The show that brings you the biggest stars to chat all things life, love, career, and the top 5 tracks they hold dear to their hearts.
GOAT, greatest of all time in my opinion.
Join me, Naledi Mallela, on a brand new season of My Top 5.
This is Makazi, and this is
My top 5.
Only on Channel O. Music over everything. I have never been so excited in my life, but I'm gonna talk about it now. I just want to show you guys the wig that I received from a brand called Luvme Hair. So basically this is what it looks like. It is called Luvme Hair and it's very affordable. I checked out their prices. So I'm basically going to be installing this while I talk to you guys about the show and telling you guys more about what has been happening. However, I will give you guys details. I'll probably drop all the details down below on where to get this wig, the link, and everything else. But I got this beautiful, what looks like 18 or 20 inch kind of body wave in a like ginger color. And I was so worried about this wig because I felt like it didn't suit me. But a lot of people are saying they like how it looks on me. And because I had become so accustomed to red hair, it was kind of hard to see how this would look nice on me. I ain't even sure. I'm not even sure. I told you guys that I would, ooh, girl, child. Anyway, so I told you guys that obviously I wanted to do more beauty and hair reviews, and I told myself that I would obviously do that. But also, I really love the quality of this hair. Now, there have only been 2 brands that have sent me good quality hair. The other one is obviously the brand that sent me the red wig. But this one, child. Like, it just feels so good. Initially, when I took it out the box, I was like, I don't feel like my skin tone suits this color, because I felt like I think I'm a little bit too dark for it. But when I started like kind of posting it on my social media and everyone was like, wow, this is a beautiful color, I thought to myself, well, damn, if everybody thinks it's beautiful, then I should too, right? So they basically gave me the wig alongside like a wig bag, which is really cute. I obviously love wig bags. They also sent me, they were like, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. Thank you so much, Helena. Thank you. I mean, with all this good news, thank you for giving me a new fresh hair. Ooh, they also gave me this. Oh my god, this bag is so cute. I love the kind of holographic feel about it. And then they sent me, okay, well, there's stuff inside, but I'll show you what's inside. They gave me wig caps, which I honestly love, because I can never have enough wig caps, okay? And then they basically sent me this Love Hair and how to take care of your wig, how to use your hair in your wig, right? So they were like, when you wash the hair, better to brush it first, use warm water, shampoo, Okay. I ain't gonna read that. But they also gave me this cute kind of, oh my goodness, they gave me these cute pins. Love me. Oh my goodness, child. Sweetie, love. Here's my little cute Love Me. Oh, that is so cute. And then they also gave me, oh my goodness, this nice brush for edges. I've been looking for this brush. A lot of my friends have this and they say that this one is godly. they gave me a little bit of extra elastic band in case it's too tight on my head. They also gave me some tweezers to obviously tweeze my frontal, and some clips. No, not clips. What do you call those things? Pins. I'm gonna call them pins. Anyway, guys, yes, the cat is finally out the bag. I've got a new show on Channel O. I've been so happy about it. Like, it's been one of the greatest feelings in like a really long time. And you know, I've been working. Okay, you know what, I'm gonna use that ugly clip, and then I'll probably use a cute clip when I'm done with this. But anyway, it's been so hard hiding it from you guys, and I think part and parcel as to why it's been so difficult is because I normally share everything with you guys. You understand? I share everything with you guys. So to be in a situation to not be able to tell you guys, okay, first of all, I just want to say, even without gluing it down with got to be glued, this wig is tight, and I'm saying tight, honey, like I'm talking tight. So I might just actually glue it down on the sides, because I don't even need to glue it down up here. The only thing I'm going to do is obviously style it and make sure it's sitting correctly, but I don't even need to glue it down. Can I get like an endless limited supply of got to be glued, please? Ma'am. Okay. Personally, I don't know how to use this one really well, which is why I try to stay away from it. I prefer the spray because this one is much stronger, and two, I've always felt like it takes a long time to dry. But anyway, guys, yes, this experience has been absolutely amazing. Just being part of like a production that is known all over the African continent, guys. It has changed my life, and I don't want to start crying about it. I'm not gonna cry, dude. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of what the promo video looks like if you haven't already seen it. I'm probably gonna post it like right now. But anyway, guys, it's been such an amazing experience to be, you know what, I should probably move this wig cap back. Yeah, there we go. It's been an amazing experience to be part of a production and watch it come to life. And you know, even when shooting, at some points I felt overwhelmed. I felt like I wasn't good enough to be a part of something so big. I had a lot of imposter syndrome. I cried on some days because one of the big artists came up to me and said, Naledi, you say sorry too much. You don't rate yourself enough. You've got a lot of imposter syndrome. You feel like you don't deserve to be here, and you actually do. So I'm gonna need you to stop that. And this was like an artist that is so big right now. She is huge, guys. When I say huge, I'm talking she is big. One of the biggest Amapiano artists. And she basically just said to me like, Naledi, I need you to have more faith and trust in yourself. I need you to know that you deserve to be here, and you were chosen. You understand? Like, you were chosen to be here. You understand? Like, you worked your ass off, you applied, you made it, and now you need to stop looking down on yourself. And I did for a really long time. Like, throughout the shooting of this thing, I looked down on myself so much. I felt like, man, these are big artists. How am I going to interview these people that I praise on my timeline all the time? Actually, see guys, I might need to actually like what's the word, I might need to kind of pluck it a little bit, because it doesn't really have many edges, so it makes it just a little bit more difficult. But I'll pluck it shortly. As you can see, it literally melts onto my skin, so that's great. I would just obviously need to pluck it because it looks a little bit too, you know. But it is a good wig so far. I'm happy. It sits like it melts. It literally melts. You don't even see where it starts. It's just, this is my hairline, guys. This is my hair. What are y'all even saying? This is my hair. Oh, Naledi, where'd you get that wig? What wig, sis? This is my hair, bro. But anyway, I had a lot of imposter syndrome on set. I really felt like I didn't deserve to be there. I started questioning myself and my abilities, and it's normal for everyone to, like, for any normal person, it's normal to question your abilities. But mine kind of got out of hand to a point where I would cry on set because I felt like, I'm not doing things right. You understand? I'm not doing things right. Okay, let me get something to tie. Oh, I think this is what they gave me to tie it down. So I cried. I had someone just kind of pep talk me, a really big artist pep talk me, and tell me that you deserve to be here. So enough. You deserve to be here. You should be here. You were chosen to be here, and you need to stop thinking that you're not enough. Okay, I'm busy. Like, no, you guys are sending me emails and whatnot, but I am busy. The production and the background of it, like the production team was amazing. First of all, they believed in me. Like, I was just like out here, like, I'm just rocking and rolling, bro. I'm hustling and bustling. But they were like, Naledi, we love you. And I'm like, wait, what? Okay, guys, let me tie this. So, yeah, where was I? Yeah, guys, they really believed in me. They were like cheering me on every single time. They were just like, Naledi, we are so proud of you. You're doing so well. And I'm like, are you guys even sure that I'm doing that well? Because I don't see it. Okay, guys, I'm just plucking the middle of it because I do feel like it's a little bit, what's the word? Kind of, it looks like brand new, but I don't think it was plucked as much as I would have preferred it to be plucked. So I'm just gonna pluck it quickly. But yeah, anyway, okay, I'm not gonna over pluck it because it's brand new. What I will do though, maybe put some concealer to make that, I'm gonna put some concealer to make that line more visible. Because I don't see nothing. I ain't seen nothing. So guys, it's been an amazing, I guess, moment to kind of see everybody just having a lot of faith in me. Oh! Thank God it wasn't on my makeup. Oh, thank God it was on the wig. But yeah, like not being able to share it with you guys, I think was the most difficult part of all of this, because like I said, I share everything with you guys, and knowing that I couldn't say anything was just killing the girl. It was killing me inside out, all around, everything. Oh my gosh, I even got makeup on my skin and my top. Fantastic. So yeah, guys, to know that this opportunity has presented itself, it has been such an amazing experience. I don't even want to lie to you guys. Like, I have been feeling amazing. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of water, like it's like water with concealer. It's really good just to like help with the flyaways and just to kind of get it all together, because it was starting to kind of really bother me a little bit. Okay guys, it's been a couple of minutes and I'm just gonna remove this. And yeah, do you see, this is the part that I really want to work on, because I feel like if I try and move it back, can you see, like, it doesn't really have like baby hairs, so it makes it a bit more difficult. So what I'm going to do, instead of really plucking it today, because it is the first day and I want to enjoy it in its original state, I'm going to take some mousse and I'm just going to like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm just going to like obviously comb it back. But yes guys, not being able to tell you guys has been the most difficult part about this. Not being able to share it with you guys has been so difficult. Like, having to keep quiet and tweet through the mess has been difficult. But one thing I can tell you is that knowing that I can finally tell you guys now has been such an amazing experience. Like, it's been amazing, guys. It's been amazing. And seeing my dad being so proud of me, I think, is what made me even more emotional, to be really honest with you guys, because, you know, having one parent on this earth makes you realize how final everything is. And the last thing I wanted is for my dad to leave me and me not being able to have done something for him or something to be proud of, or, you know, just uplift the family name. Because look, I mean, I had no reason to, but I just wanted to do it for him. You know, my dad has worked so hard. So being able to know that I could make him proud like that, and seeing him saying, oh my god, I just sent it to your aunts and uncles, and it was amazing. It was an amazing moment for me personally. Like I said, having been the black sheep for a really long time in my family had an impact on me that I didn't realize it did. So that's pretty much why I'm like so happy that I could do something like this. And just seeing my dad proud of me just made me so happy. And now my hair is so done. So let me just give you guys like an up close of how it looks. Look guys, I'm not gonna style it or anything like that because I just got the hair, but I just want you guys to see how HD the lace actually is. Okay, I'm gonna move that off the way, but just look at how HD the lace is. I haven't done much, but it looks like it's my hair because it is. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get dressed and show you guys how I look for the day because I need to go film with Caesar. Now you guys probably know Caesar and her husband on YouTube, but she asked me to come film like a collab with her for some kind of collaboration she's doing with Fashion Nova. So I'm gonna get dressed and I'm just gonna have a chat with you guys as soon as I'm done because I do need to be there by 2 o'clock and it is already after 1. Guys, look at me. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, a sanitation and a meditation. You can touch my hair and touch me everywhere. No, my coochie though, and sanitation and a meditation. Come on, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. Yeah. Come on, Barbie, let's go, Barbie. What's in the Barbie? Son Manani. What's up, Barbie? Yeah, bo. Hi. Yeah, bo, Barbie. No, Barbie, no, Barbie, guys. No, Barbie. Guys, look at this hair. Okay, look, I didn't have time to appreciate it enough, but I just look at this hair and tell me y'all don't see it, because I do, baby. I know that's right. I just want to say that if I die, I'm going to die a beautiful woman. Thank you. Woo! Guys, I just like just the quality. Okay, so when I got the hair, it obviously was in a box, so it looked a little bit frizzy, and I was just like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to be able to wear this. But then once I styled it, kind of put water in it, kind of put some mousse, allowed the curls to really solidify. Then I was like, I'm a Barbie girl. Yeah? This is my hair, guys. No, guys. No, on a serious note though, like, let's just be honest. This is my hair. Like, what do you guys mean? This is not a wig. This is my hair. Like, this is dead ass like how I was born, bro. Guys, I am feeling this wig, and if y'all not feeling this wig, please don't unsubscribe. But if you wanna, you can, but don't, because I'm asking you nicely. What do you guys think? I am loving this wig right now. Like, I don't know what I was expecting. I think because I had been wearing red for months. I have this bad habit of constantly wearing something that I like forever and ever, amen. For example, my earrings and my belt. But that's gonna change very soon. I really wanted to go and get myself a new belt, but the only problem is now I'm running late, and I think Caesar would kill me if I was late. So I probably will go shoot first. Maybe we're gonna go get ourselves some lunch, you know, look cute and whatnot. Because I mean, I got a new wig though. And then I'm probably gonna come back home and just really enjoy the moment. This wig is amazing. The quality of the hair is amazing. The color of the hair, I was very worried because it didn't have dark roots, but it's like, look at it, guys. Look at it from a camera perspective, because I think the lighting in my room wasn't doing it justice, but this is dead as how I look. That's me. Who that? Me. Who did that? I did that. Okay guys, I'm finally done. I can actually relax. So far, I am loving this hair. I know that obviously I didn't style it in a way that I normally would, but I'm running at a loss for time. However, even with styling it, the minimal styling that I did has made an absolute difference. This hair is amazing. I can't wait to see how it holds up throughout the afternoon. But I will say that I absolutely love this color on me. Shit, I'm gonna just snap when I'm at it, bro. Okay, I'm done, guys. Look at it. I'm looking cute, aren't I? First of all, thank you to Luvme Hair for actually sending this hair through, because they did force me to try color. Initially, I was gonna say like send me black, and they were like, no, try this color. And I was like, I don't think it's gonna suit me. And they were like, trust us, it's going to suit you. And I love the affordability of the hair. You know what, guys? I'm becoming more and more inclined to buy my hair online than to actually buy it from, I guess, resellers this side, because even when I've bought the hair that was so expensive, I ended up not even wearing it that much. Like, all I've been wearing are the wigs that I bought online, and I definitely think I'm going to be purchasing one from Luvme Hair again, because I love how the color came out. I was really nervous about it, and also it's not so bad even without the dark roots, because I think I had just so become used to dark roots that I thought that this would actually make me look like I'm wearing, you know, like those wigs, but it actually sits effortlessly well. So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna be wearing this wig for a while. I'm sorry in advance. I know you guys know I'm gonna say, you're gonna wear for 2 months. Yes I am. What y'all even mean? But yeah guys, I'm gonna get ready to leave now. Caesar is expecting me at 2 p.m. I'm probably going to be late as per usual, and then after that we're going to go grab some lunch. I'm really hoping I'm allowed to vlog. I'm thinking Jameli, but if that doesn't work out, I'll probably go somewhere else. And yeah, then I'm just going to come back home and really just, you know, allow the moment to kind of sink in, because I haven't gotten a chance to actually realize how big this is. I'm grateful in so many ways. Like, I'm actually so grateful I'm speechless, and it's unlike me to be speechless because I talk a lot, but for the first time in a really long time I'm feeling speechless, stunned, gobsmacked, overwhelmed, like. But I'd just like to thank everybody that just kind of pushed me and advocated for me in that sense. I hate it when I do this because I always want to cry, but if it wasn't for your words of affirmation and reassurance, I really don't know where I would have been if I had given up on the channel and a lot of things, you know. And guys, it's not easy, you know. YouTube isn't easy, and people ask me all the time. There are days where it's bad and it takes a toll on your mental health at times, but you guys have always assured me that I'm enough as a human being, as a person, as an individual, and for that I will forever be grateful to you guys for. And I just need you guys to know how grateful I am. And I personally, without a shadow of doubt, believe that it's all your comments, it's all your retweets, it's all your Instagram shares. If it wasn't for you guys saying Naledi, 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 I wouldn't have even been given the opportunity to be on a show this big. You understand? If it wasn't for you guys, I don't think. It's all your retweets, guys. It's everything you guys have done for me. I personally think, yes, I did the legwork of creating content, but the I'm even losing my train of thought. The word getting out there, the traveling, the retweets, the resharing, the TikToks, this, that's all you guys. That's not me. That's not me. That's all you guys. Every single one of you on this channel. And I only hope I can be in such a position to do something for you guys, like to just have a day where we're all together, where, you know, I look at Mihlali and I look at her beauty and the beat and everything that she's done and how she's kind of sort of, you know, created a space where she can be with her subscribers, and I want to really recreate that. Obviously not from a makeup perspective, but I really want to recreate a day where I just thank you guys, and we just eat and we drink and we share stories and we talk and we, you know, just have an event where I just want you guys and us to all be together. That's all I'm concerned with. I don't know how I'm going to make it happen, but I know God knows what's in my heart, and I know God's going to give me the opportunity to do that, and it'll be all for you guys, because I really don't know where I would have been if it wasn't you guys. I probably would have been in a worse mental space. I don't even know how far I would have gotten if it wasn't for you guys. So without obviously being overly emotional about it, I'm just gonna get ready to leave now. I still have to create some content for a client. I need to fix it up quickly, so as soon as I'm done with that, I am going to head to Caesar. So let me go and I'll talk to you guys in the car. Okay, I'm here to do what I need to do. Thanks, Babani. Huh? Hey, how good are you? Where am I going? Yay! Oh my god, Mzanile picked me up. Oh, get her Francita Caesar. She's gonna kill the shit out of me. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hey, hi guys, hi guys.
Get her Francita Caesar. I'm up there to Bageti. I'm in the car.
What are you doing? Yes, babe.
Say Francis, but Francis.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Hey guys, guess what?
In front of people.
People ask me if I would collaborate with me. Here she is. Not us doing a collab together. Say, I want to do, baby.
I know that's right. I know that's right.
So we're getting ready to go to Caesar, and we're gonna do her collab. So it's the three of us, guys. I'm actually looking forward to it.
Waz.
What's a Waz?
P.
Oh, I'm like, what the hell is... Huh? Oh, not sure.
Oh, I thought you were going somewhere there.
Oh, I thought that's where we were going. Like, where is it? Okay guys, we're going to talk to you guys as soon as we're upstairs so you can see the behind the scenes of the videos coming out. Make sure to follow Caesar on her channel with her husband Mzwandile. Well, some of us suffer because that's what we were made. Guys, Caesar is here, has set up everything. She even gave us cheese and crackers.
For me.
Like, dude,
Okay.
I just hope they've got Savannah's, but like, look at this. Look at this. Where the bear van? He's so yummy. I was almost having a meltdown, long round around the langas with me.
Mama. Also, you not answering your phone while I was in the middle of the road. I was on the call with her.
Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna set up. You guys are gonna see the behind the scenes of Caesar's video, but make sure to follow them and follow Sneem Khongo as well, who also hit 100k, right? 100 yeah. So we just finished shooting with my favorite. I absolutely love her. I actually got a chance to hang out with Caesar today and she's flipping amazing.
I am, right?
You are so amazing. I would do any collab with you for free. Stop thinking guys collabs are paid for. And guys, please show them the outfit you gave me. Please.
Yo.
Hi. Yo. Caesar was making fun of me saying, Naledi, but it's hot for this outfit. And I was like, I don't care.
And it's one of the hottest outfits we had to try on today.
Yeah.
It was like, not hot in like temperature, but
heat.
Yeah.
It's nice and the quality is amazing.
You did the thing, my friend.
You
chose the right one.
Thank you for asking me to be a part of your video. So make sure to look out for her video. You guys have seen snippets of it here on my vlog.
Yes.
So follow her. I'm going to drop her channel details somewhere over here, over her face. With her and her husband Mzwa. You call him Mzwa. You call him Mzwa. Oh, is it Zwandi? I said Zwandi.
It's Mzwandi, but I call him Zwandi. Not you. You can call him Zwa.
Okay. Oh, thank you. So guys, yes, make sure to follow her channel. She's got amazing content with her husband. And I'm going to be on my way and go get my first meal of the day.
Your first meal.
Girl.
Friend of you, but me saying
no, it's fine, Jimmy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. You got me like these amazing cheese and crackers. I'm still gonna eat that. See you guys later. Bye. Hey guys. I am in the car. As you can see, I did a whole entire outfit change because one of the outfits that Caesar gave me was just too nice that I literally had to wear it. So now I'm gonna go meet up with the girls. I'm gonna go meet up with Carmen. You guys know my friend Carmen. She's actually having sundowners with another friend of ours, but I'm not entirely sure if I want to start there or start at Jameli and get like a takeaway for dinner time, because I am craving food from Jameli and I feel like it's only fair that I reward myself by buying myself some food from Jameli. So that's exactly what your fave is gonna do. I'm gonna go get myself some takeout. Ooh, the sun is sunning, child. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go buy myself some food from Jameli, and then I think afterwards I'm gonna go meet up with the girls. So I'm just gonna call them, let them know that I'm going to Jameli getting a takeaway, and then after the takeaway I'm meeting up with them at Milk and Honey. So yeah guys, talk to you guys later. Oh my god. Okay. Be right back. Rest. Hey guys, it's the second day of my vlog. I'm chilling here with 20 and Sensi.
What's good?
What's good in the hood?
Cheers.
Cheers. We are getting ready to go to Ruby's Soiree. It's like a 2000s theme. We've been here chilling for a while, but it started off past 3. I'm just worried because it's like a pool party vibe.
Yeah,
but the weather is a bit it's nice. I like the weather. It's gonna rain though. I think it's gonna rain.
It just shouldn't rain. I feel like it can stay like this, but it shouldn't rain.
Oh my god, if it rains, I'm gonna have to fight someone upstairs, okay? I'm gonna have to fight someone in the heavens. So we're getting ready to leave. We are gonna catch you guys in the car. I'll talk to you guys later. But let's go to Ruby's Soiree. Pega. The Habli. Who chari prime stuff? Go the Habli on nice side. I mean, really.
I mean what?
Guys, look at my little Regina George.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, honey. Yes. Yes.
Who's that?
Who's that?
She doesn't go here.
Not me take out all my cellulite for Ruby's party, but that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Hello.
She does.
I don't wanna wear the same outfit as.
It's cool there. It's cool there.
Oh, yes, I was like, hell nah. The birthday girl, it's your birthday girl, 2000s party. Oh no, that's right. Yes, you look like I'm about to start singing, right?
Hey, who's there? Is that a train?
Let's pose it.
It's definitely the number one for me.
It's definitely the number one.
Guys, my plate is packed. Like, one thing about you. Oh.
I did. Oh, may God bless our divine food, this divine occasion. Jesus Christ, hallelujah, amen.
Oh, amen. Woo! I almost dug into the food before you said amen. This is butter chicken. Oh, yeah. The butter chicken's amazing. Come on, have the beef.
It's my 25th birthday, period.
Miss Regina George.
It's definitely Miss Regina George's 25th. And this is beef.
It's really good, Ruby. Thank you.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna toast y'all just now. Hey guys, operating on 8 nails, well, like 9.5 with sands right over here. Guys, we're so tired. Like mpanchile, like I'm not drunk, marang panchile. Yes, in. So guys, we're home now. We're probably just gonna Netflix and chill and watch some TV, just hang out a little bit. But yeah, that is the end of my vlog, my 2-day vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. And Mugay, your favorite Mugay, and your ultimate fave are signing out.
Thank you guys for joining us.
See you in our next vlog on VLOGTOBER.
Bye.
Isn't Jamadut?
Love everyone. Love everyone.
Yeah, love everyone. Love everyone and trust no one.
But I love everyone.
Thank you. Bye guys.